it's Miss Cray Cray, and I'm here at Slime School. If you're wondering where the students are, they're having recess right now. But I have a special surprise for them as soon as they get back. I've decided it's time for us to start training for the Slime Olympics. They're coming up really soon. And part of the Slime Olympics is being able to create slime from anything. So I have a new challenge for them today. We're going to see who can create the best slime from slime shops and some home ingredients. Shh. So they have no idea they're about to have this challenge. I'm going to call them from recess and we're going to see how well they do. Make sure you guys let us know in the comments below who you think wins. And one thing is, we're moderating comments, so we will be putting comments out. You may not see your comment right away, but it will show up soon. Okay, let's go.
Okay.
I have a big surprise for you girls. Are you ready for it?
Yeah.
Let's go. Okay, so who's ready for this competition?
I am.
So here are the rules. You have to go out and find a slime. You also have to find an ingredient. You have to bring it back, mix it together. Then we're going to see who had the best mix on each round. So each of you will have 30 seconds to go and find an ingredient and a slime. Now, this is the thing. Once you touch it, it's yours. You have to take it. And this is the thing as well. You only get one of each in each round, okay?
Okay.
So let's do rock, paper, scissors to see who goes first.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Yes!
Okay, Ellie, looks like you're going first. Now, let's get your game plan. Remember, one slime, one ingredient, you have to bring it back within 30 seconds. You know what? I think you're pretty fast. Let's make it 20 seconds.
Okay.
Okay, you think you can do it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, perfect. Here.
Is this the one over here? In the bushes? Over here? Oh, I see it! Yes! Oh yes, this is a very pretty slime. Okay, now I need to get my ingredient. Oh, I see some glitter.
Uh-oh, Ellie, you only have 3 seconds, come on! Are you gonna make it? Oh, you made it, awesome. Let's check out what you got. Let's see. Looks like Ellie got this bead slime, and she got this orange iridescent glitter. I think that looks pretty cool. What do you guys think? Okay, Ellie, let's go ahead and mix it up.
Ooh, I love this pink. It's really cool.
Let me help you get it out.
Stay this out.
So there's your slime. Let's go ahead and give you your added ingredient and see what you get. Here you go. All right, so use your hands now to mix it up. Woo! That's looking stupendous. Whoa! Look at Ellie's slime. She's made this into a brand new one. Pretty cool. It kind of reminds me of a flamingo. Makes me want to go to the tropics. Oh, if only I could find a good man. Okay, Naiah? Ellie just made hers and it looks pretty good. Let's see if you can top that. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, and go!
Oh my God. Okay. Oh, this looks really nice. Okay, I got it one. Okay, I got this.
You only have 5 seconds. Let's take a look at what you have. Ooh, you have a slime called Kitten Paws. Let's take a look at this. Ooh, nice and fluffy.
It smells so good.
And it's two-tone. Let's pull it out.
Ooh, can I try it, teacher?
Wow. I like that this is a two-tone, and It's a cotton one. Look at those little cotton strands.
Is this the one that we made in class, kinda?
Kind of like that, but I think I like this one better than the one we made in class. I got these from a real true slime master. Whoa. All right, now it looks like you have to mix in these pink styrofoam beads. Do you guys think that this is a good mix? Only one way to find out. Let's see.
Pull it all the way out. There's 3 beads all around it.
Wow, that's really coming together.
It's really nice and feeling.
Whoa! Look at this slime that Naiah did. Whoa, look at all those beads. Let's see. Oh! You guys, do you like this slime before we mixed in the beads? Or do you like it after the pink beads? Who wins round 1? Is it Ellie's sparkly flamingo or Naiah's pink fluffy ice cream? Who wins round 1? Ellie, it's your turn again, and this time you only have 15 seconds on the clock. Do you think you can go that fast?
Yes.
Okay, and mark, get set, go!
I like this. I got these great beads. Pineapple slime, and it's good. It'll match perfectly. I think this is a pretty combination.
Whoa! Ellie, this combination is magical. I absolutely love it. It's sparkly pineapple. Oh!
Let's see if it smells like it.
You don't. Oh. Whoa! Look at that pineapple slime! Oh, the pineapple chunks! Wow! Ellie, this is gorgeous!
All those bumps and crisp it in there.
Whoa! It's so beautiful! And once it settles down, you'll be able to see the yellow even more. I absolutely love this slime, Ellie! Ooh!
Thank you.
All right, Naiah, you have 15 seconds on this round. Hope you can do it. Ellie did a great job. Are you ready?
Yes.
On your mark, get set, go!
Sister snatch. Sister's on a yeah, snatch, snitch. Get that edge, snatch, snatch. I need my video. Okay. Okay, I have look at the god. I got hard. Here you go, teacher.
Oh, you made it just in time. Let's see what you have. Huh? Sister snatch? And, ooh, turquoise glitter. I think these are gonna look good. All right, let's start mixing. Ooh, okay. Looks like Naiah has this sister snatch. Ooh, it's 3 levels of color. Whoa!
I see what it feels like, teacher.
Whoa!
Sister snatch is probably one of my favorites. It sounds like this. Look at this beautiful turquoise.
And the purple in it makes it look so good.
And it smells so good.
Wow! This is gorgeous slime. This glitter, beautiful. You want to pour some in?
Yes, okay.
Who's cutting their yard during school hours? Well, look at this. beautiful. I love it. Oh, so silky and beautiful. I think this sparkly cotton teddy slime is absolutely divine. Whose slime would you rather have? The blue surprise or the pineapple passion? Let me know in the comments. Okay, Ellie, now here's your final round. And this time, you only get 10 seconds. And you must find 2 additives. Are you ready? Mm-hmm. All right, and go. Hope she can find them.
Let's see. Wait, what's under here? Ooh, this one's pretty. I love it. And it has a little heart on it. Yes, I like it. Please, what's this? Some light. Ooh, some glitter. Yes, this is good.
Ellie, you only have 2 seconds! Whoa! Look at this, even has a heart on it, Ellie. And look at the beautiful crystals in the bottom. You picked such a beautiful slime, and wait, is that a surprise inside? Why don't you open it up and pour it out for us? Whoa! You had a beautiful pearl in there. You want to get your hand in and get all that beautiful glitter out? This looks awesome. Oh, I just love it. Okay, now what are your extra ingredients that you got? Look at this glitter. Your hands are a little messy, so I'll pour it in for you, okay?
Okay.
You tell me how much you want, all right?
All right.
All right, let's see. Tell me when to stop.
Stop.
Okay, beautiful. Woo! Look at these pretty confettis. They have big and small ones, so you're gonna have a lot of sparkles. Okay, let's open it up. Okay. Oh, looks like I'm gonna have to get in there. Tell me how much to put in. That's it, good job. Okay, you wanna start mixing?
Yes.
All right, go ahead. Oh, that's beautiful. I love it. Whoa, look at Ellie's. It's so pretty. I love the colors in it. It's so fun. This is absolutely gorgeous, and it's super soft. Whoa, look at that green glitter, that yellow glitter. Just sparkle in the sun. Gorgeous slime. Okay, so listen, you are gonna only have 10 seconds on the clock. But instead of getting 2 ingredients, you get 1 ingredient, but 2 slimes. Let's see if you can collect 2 slimes and 1 ingredient in 10 seconds. You ready?
Yes.
Okay, go.
Okay guys, so I got this pom-pom slime and I have to hurry up and get the ingredient and the slime. Okay. Woo! Now I got this blue one. Now I have to find the ingredient. But I don't see one. Okay, let's. Oh wait. Oh man. Oh my. I probably only have 1 more second.
Oh no! She only has 3 seconds! My hands are a little messy, but let's take a look at this peachy, this blue. What is this called? Elsa's Evian. So this is Elsa's frozen water. She doesn't drink normal water. She has frozen water. Look at this water slime.
So easy to stretch.
It's so beautiful. And
This is made by a true slime master, definitely.
This is definitely a slime master slime. Whoa, look at those cute little funny balls in here. Let's pour that in and see what you get.
It looks like glue.
Whoa. Okay, and what's your final ingredient?
Yes.
This beautiful confetti. Let's pour that in.
I think this was like a really good match.
It looks like a fun party, like an Elsa birthday party.
All right, that's enough.
Whoa! Look at this party slime that Naiah made. Whoa, and you can see the little balls in there. This is gorgeous, and the texture is maybe the softest slime I've ever touched. This is amazing slime, I have to admit. Okay, this is the last round. Make sure you guys vote and let us know which one you like. They both look really similar and super gorgeous. All right, ladies, it's time for your final grades. And this is the first round in seeing who will go to the Slime Olympics. Ellie, your final grade for today is an A+. You did a great job with your slime. You did a great job mixing, and your combinations were beautiful. Congratulations. You're one step closer to the Slime Olympics. Now, Naiah, it's time for your grade. And unfortunately, my news isn't so great. Although you did a good job, I'm gonna have to give you an A+ as well.
I was like,
I got you.
I was like, if I did a good job, I was like.
You both did a great job, and you're a step closer to making the Slime Olympic team. All right, guys, how about you say we clean up and we have lunch?
Yay!
Let's go.
To the milk sandwiches.
Ellie, you only have 2 seconds.
Was that good?
Yeah.